Hello friends, welcome back to channel. In earlier videos we have learned the commands. Today we will learn about a command called SU. Okay, SU stand for, there are three abbreviation: switch user, super user and substitute user. Okay, super user is not correct. Switch user and substitute user is correct. So you can use anyone. So we can use this command SU and the username, and you can use SU hyphen username. So this question generally asked by an interviewer: what's the difference between SU and SU hyphen? Okay, so we'll discuss that thing. This is for switching user, switch user Amit. Okay, I'm not using hyphen. So before that, let me show you. I am inside the home directory, and who am I? Okay, now we'll switch to Amit user without hyphen. Get the password. Okay, PWD. Although Amit home directory is /home, but it landed on the same directory where I was executing the commands. Not an issue. Let's check. Who am I? Okay, I'm Amit. Let's log out. Then we'll again run with hyphen. Oh, this time I have landed in /home Amit. So that's the difference. If you are not using hyphen, it will not read your profile bash rc thing, and your profile will not get loaded. Your environment variable, whatever you have set for those users, will not get loaded. If you are using hyphen, your environment variable will get loaded, and home directory is part of your environment variable. Let's log out and do for other user. First we will do tail/etc fast wt. See, we are having Amit user, home directory is this, we are having test user. Okay, so let's do su test. Password. Oh, password is incorrect, so let me set password test. Okay, so su hyphen test. So I'm using hyphen pwd /home/test. If I am not using hyphen pwd, so my home directory is not changed. So if interviewer is asking a question, what's the difference between SU and SU hyphen, you can say, if you are using SU, your environment variable will not get load. If you are using SU hyphen, your environment variable will get load and system will read those files. So that's the basic difference, and we'll use this command in next couple of videos. I think we have already used this command, but this hyphen I didn't explain you, sorry about that. I think this video is adding value to your knowledge. If it is adding a value to your knowledge, give a thumbs up. Thank you. See you in the next video.